Welcome to the Seneca tutorial series. In this video, we're going to show you how to send a weekly email via the scheduler. Now let's get started. The scheduler is used to automatically execute certain tasks in the Seneca system on a scheduled recurring basis. In this example, it can be used to send a chart of a company's revenue to a selected email address, scheduled and cyclically. First step, open the scheduler. Second step, click on the Add button in order to create a new scheduler. Third step, on the Task Manager tab, drop down the charts and with drag and drop, move the Demo Giemba revenue chart to the right empty area. Fourth step, on the left side, click on the Time Range tab and set the year 2024 on the time slider. Fifth step, on the left side, click on the Time Setting tab, select the Recurring option under Type, then at Occurrence, select the Weekly option, check today's day, and set the time to 10 minutes later than now. Sixth step, on the left side, click on the Notification tab. Below Other Email Recipients, type your email address and click on the plus button. Seventh step, click on Save and add a name for it. Eighth step, finally, click on Perform and check your email box. And this is how you can send a weekly email through the scheduler. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.